The Aquila16 DIY BETAFPV crossover machine is a dream come true for drone enthusiasts, FPV racers, and creative tinkerers who crave customization, performance, and powerful imaging. Built with a modular, upgrade-ready design, the Aquila16 supports 4K PTZ camera integration, 3 km image transmission, and loss of control return technology, giving you stability, safety, and freedom in the skies. Whether you're capturing dynamic 4K footage or racing through tight spaces with precision, the Aquila16 is designed to adapt to your needs. Key specifications: 4K PTZ camera compatible. Capture ultra-clear video with smooth panning and tilting using a supported 4K gimbal camera. Compatible with GoPro and other action cams for flexible mounting options. 3 km real-time image transmission. Crystal clear video feedback up to 3,000 meters range. Ideal for long-range exploration and real-time FPV flying. Loss of control return technology. Automatically returns to home point during signal failure. Fly with confidence even in complex environments. Modular DIY build, customize your rig. Built for the DIY FPV community, upgrade motors, flight controller, camera systems, and frame. Open architecture supports advanced tuning and firmware upgrades. Compact and durable frame. Drone size, 25 by 26 by 8 centimeters. Weight, 560 grams, sturdy, yet manageable for performance and portability. High-strength material designed for high-speed and freestyle maneuvers. Perfect for DIY drone builders, FPV racers and freestyle flyers, cinematic drone pilots, tech-savvy creators who love to customize, long-range explorers and professionals who need reliability. What's included? Aquila16 frame, flight controller, model L1, 4K PTZ ready camera mount, wiring set and hardware kit, user manual and build guide. Note: camera, transmitter, battery, and accessories may be sold separately depending on the retailer. Confirm before purchase. The 2025 new Aquila16 DIY BETAFPV is not just a drone, it's a canvas for aerial innovation. With support for GoPro integration, long-range FPV, and fail-safe return, it's ideal for creators who want control, customization, and top-tier visuals. If you're ready to build your drone your way, the Aquila16 gives you the tools to make it fly. Build it. Customize it. Master the skies.